Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best Underglow kit in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Underglow kit that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Mictuning C1 RGBW LED Underglow Light Kit. When it comes to options, the Mictuning C1 RGBW LED Underglow Light Kit delivers. This versatile lighting setup is designed to work on any vehicle, letting you trick out everything from your sedan to your ATV to your motorcycle. They include extra wiring length to give you more options for light placement, making it easy to adapt for different vehicles or a less traditional setup. This Underglow kit syncs via Bluetooth to connect either to the included remote or your smartphone, letting you customize the light display from an app. You'll love the 50,000-hour lifespan of each rock light, which allows you to flip on your Underglow as often as you'd like without worrying about burned-out lights. While these rock lights are designed to work on everything from sedans to ATVs to motorcycles, they do have one small drawback. Their leads can be a little short on larger vehicles such as full-size or larger trucks or supersized SUVs. Moving on at number 4, we have the OPT7 Aura Underglow Flexible Lighting Kit. When it comes to durability and longevity, the OPT7 Aura Underglow Flexible Lighting Kit is a great option. This kit, which features flexible LED light strips, can be bent, curved, twisted, and put into the wet, dirty environment of everyday driving, all without losing its grip. The light strips feature 16 true to eye colors, with multiple light modes for customization and even syncing to your car's sound system. But it's really a standout because of its strong adhesive and IP67 water-resistant, dust-proof construction. Each light strip is fully sealed and can function in temperatures from 40 below 0 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll also love the brightness, which is clear and crisp even on the sunniest days. However, you'll want to keep in mind that this Underglow kit isn't the brightest. Some of the light strips can appear dimmer than others. Check the lighting strip connections if you're seeing less than ideal brightness. At number 3, we have the Govee Smart Car Underglow Lights. If you're looking for top-tier customization, you've got to check out Govee Smart Car Underglow Lights. This Underglow kit really is smart. Its standout feature is Smart DIY Mode, a lighting mode that allows you to use the Govee Home smartphone app to capture a color, then apply it to your Underglow kit. You'll be able to choose from 16 million colors and 10 impressive modes, including the option to sync your lights to your sound system or music on your phone. No matter how you want to show off on the street, you can use the app to create a custom color display. Plus, you'll enjoy how straightforward and simple it is to install this kit on any vehicle. While zip ties aren't the sleekest looking, you may want to use them when you install this Underglow kit. The adhesive is nicely sticky and durable, but the zip ties can provide a little extra peace of mind. At number 2, we have the Xprite Car Underglow Strip Lights Kit. When it comes to bang for your buck, the Xprite Car Underglow Strip Lights Kit is a great choice. Affordable in its price and loaded with capability, you can turn your car into a serious standout on the road with its extra bright LED chips and array of color choices. With a universal fit that's designed to work with all vehicles, each lighting strip features high-intensity SMD 505 LED chips plus flexible rubber tubing that offers waterproofing. You can choose from 8 static colors or an array of lighting effects, including a sound-active mode that will sync with your audio. Plus, it's easy to control with the included wireless remote, which works from up to 100 feet away. The only problem with this value-rich Underglow kit is the adhesive, which doesn't last. That can cause your light strips to fall off after a few months on the road. You'll want to make sure to use the included zip ties to keep the components secure. And finally at number 1, we have the OPT7 Aura Aluminum Underglow LED Lighting Kit. Well constructed for all of the obstacles you might encounter, these lights are built to last. The OPT7 Aura Aluminum Underglow LED Lighting Kit has it all. bright LED lights, vibrant colors, and a wide choice of modes and patterns. It will even sync with your sound system. Well constructed for all of the obstacles you might encounter, they're made to last. You'll get 4 light strips cased in durable yet lightweight aluminum, with 252 LEDs. 16 colors give you plenty of choices, and you can choose between 5 modes, including strobe. And every strip is IP67 waterproof plus dustproof and protected from dirt. Installation is a breeze, too, thanks to the dual power options and multiple sizes of fuse adapters. For some vehicles, though, this Underglow kit may present a challenge. The connectors for the LED lights, which help lengthen the wiring, aren't actually waterproof. Installation instructions suggest using silicone beads for proper protection, and you'll need to purchase those separately. Additionally, if you need extra connectors for longer wiring, the brand doesn't sell them separately.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.